Hello students, good morning everyone. I am Shilpa, lecturer in English, Vishwamanava Composite PU College, Chitradurga. In this class, we are going to discuss about 6th unit of your first PUC English text, that is Babar Ali, which was written by Samarpita Mukherjee Sharma. See, she is a, first let us discuss about the introduction to the poet. Introduction to the poet. First point, Samarpita Mukherjee Sharma, she is a creative editor of, who was she? She is a creative editor of Youth Leader India and also the India chapter of Youth Leader magazines. And she is a member of a dynamic, not only single, she is a member of dynamic, for example, action-oriented online magazines, network focusing on groundbreaking positive change initiatives, portraits, tool and more. See, note down the point. She is a creative editor of dynamic online magazines, and see that too she used to focus on the groundbreaking positive change. Breaking positive change, that is initiative and also portraits, tools and more. Here, see, this is all about your Samarpita Mukherjee Sharma. She is going to introduce you about the special character, that is Babar Ali, who is considered as who was Babar Ali? He is the youngest headmaster in the world, where at the age of 16 he became the youngest headmaster of the world. Nor she is not revealing, not only restricted to the state, district and also country, but she is mentioning, note down the point, she is mentioning that Babar Ali is the youngest headmaster of the world. Who was Babar Ali? He is the youngest headmaster of the world. See, she introduces this special character to the reader. By introducing him, she is going to depict you that where there is a will, there is a way. We see, just think how many of us think about at the age of 16, how many of us think about the changes we want to do in the society and something to the society. We don't ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟ ಇರೋದು. 16 ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರಪ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಒಂದು ಸೊಸೈಟಿನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಡೂ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ who have brought about the transformation in the lives of their fellow beings? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರ ಫೆಲೋ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? Here I want to reveal you about some of the persons who wanted to change their lives. For example, Kautilya Pandit. First, who is a 10-year-old girl. Kautilya Pandit, who was she? She is a 10-year-old girl. See, she is considered as a youngest genius in the world, where her IQ level is 130 points. Usually, 10-year-old child having 110 to 120 IQ. But she is having 130 IQ level points. 130 IQ level points, where she is considered as a youngest genius in the world. I am just introducing you. Firstly, Kautilya Pandit. Secondly, Melita Tessie. Melita Tessie. She is a 16-year-old girl. Melita Tessie. She is a 16-year-old girl, where she, at the age of 16 years, she knows the use of metaphors and simile. Do you heard about those simile and metaphors in your English grammar? Those are considered as a figures of speech. Figures of speech. See, this girl at the age of how effectively used in literature. So, at the age of, she write down the book for herself and achieved. And see, next, Angad, third one, Angad Daryani, just at the age of 7 or 8, he is a creator of the first 3D printers in the world. Who was he? He is the first creator of the 3D printers of the world. Just I am revealing you about the age of little. They achieved a lot. Like our poet who is introducing Babar Ali to us, means the reader, that age does not matter. We will achieve anything at the age of whatever it may be, even though little, bigger, and also older, whatever it may be the age, it does not matter. That's why in this lesson they are going to give you a picture of achievers. That too Babar Ali, picture of an achiever, where who is stand alone to change his surrounding. By he used the effective tool of education. Just are you think about in your age, maybe 15, 16, whatever it may be, do you think about to educate somebody with your surrounding? No, we don't think about that. ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ನಿದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ನರೇಟರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ನೌ introduction, second point. Firstly, introduction to the poet was Buber. Second, introduction of Babar Ali's character. Babar Ali's character. Introduction of the Babar Ali's character. Just keep it in mind, these three fellows who achieved a lot at the age of only young, which is related to your story also. Here, see, Babar Ali must be the youngest headmaster in the world. He must be the youngest headmaster in the world itself, where at the age of 16 he became the world's youngest headmaster. That is why he must be the youngest headmaster of the world, as he is only 16. What was the age of Babar Ali? His age was only 16. He is a teenager who is in charge of hundreds of students, where in his family's backyard. See, there is no proper structure or buildings to educate the people he wanted, but in his family's backyard at the open space, he is in charge of not only one or two or three, but he is in charge of hundreds of students. He is in charge of hundreds of students. See, where he runs classes for poor children from the village, that too not expecting from them, not expecting anything from them. He teach the poor children from his village. ಅವನ ವಿಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಬಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಆರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನು ಇಲ್ಲದೇನೆ. This story of a young man from Murshidabad in West Bengal. Note down the place of Babar Ali, where he was come from. He was come from Murshidabad in West Bengal. This is the story from West Bengal state. That too the village name was Murshidabad. Remarkable tale of desire to learn amidst direst poverty. Our Bangladesh-based YL volunteer, means youth volunteer, Babar Ali, which was the name which was given by Samarpita Mukherjee Sharma. But what was his name? His name was Tanveer. What was his name? His name was Tanveer. Would like to introduce you to this extraordinary change maker. Here the narrator was introducing the character of Tanveer, but she renamed Tanveer as Babar Ali. Who was he? He is considered as the world's youngest headmaster of the world. At the age of 16, he became a headmaster. See, now the chores of Babar Ali, what he was doing from morning to till evening. Babar Ali wakes up every morning at 7. At what time the Babar Ali wakes up? At 7 a.m. he wakes up by doing some household chores. See, how many of you help your parents when you got up at in your home? Nobody will do. Nobody will do. Simply we got up and whatever we want to like to do, then we should do. ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ, ವೆನ್ ಹಿ wake up at 7, he do some household duties. Afterwards, then takes an auto rickshaw first and later walks 5 kilometers. How many kilometers? 5 kilometers he walks. For the first thing he do household duties, first thing. Secondly, he takes an auto rickshaw ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಡೆಪ್ಟ್, ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗೆ ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಓಡಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಇವನು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್, 5 kilometers ಟು ವೇರ್ ಕಾಸಿಂ ಬಜಾರ್ ರಾಜ್ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಸುಂದರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠ. ಸಿ ಕಾಸಿಂ ಬಜಾರ್ while he walks to Kasim Bazar Raj Govinda Vidyapindari Sundari Pita, where he is a class 12th student. While he was going to this, where he was studying 12th class in this, he is not drop his education for the sake to educate others. In spite of that, with his education, he educate to others also. ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಅವನು ಬರೀ ಎಜುಕೇಟ್ ಹಂಗಂತೇಳಿ ಅವನು ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಅವನು ಓದೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಬಾಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಅವನ ಓದಿಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಹೊತ್ತು ಅವನ ಸ್ಕೂಲನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ where he is a class 12th student, Babar Ali, how was Babar Ali? He was a thin and gangly boy. He was very thin and gangly boy who sits in the middle of the front row in his 12th, where he is a 12th standard student in his classroom, where he said he sits in the middle of the front row, first bench na madhya bhagadalli kurta idda, and he was a studious, smart and austere. See, studious means very active, smart and austere means a speed learner, where he grasped from his lecturers very fast. See, in his blue and white uniform, Babar Ali is considered as a model student. He is also the first member of his family to get a proper education. He is considered as a first member in his family to get a proper education. What was he was studying now? He was studying 12th standard. See, in school he was an ideal student, but it is what he does after the school. He introduces the entire world. Introduce means combine entire world. See, in his school he is considered as a model student, but after the school, after his education, what he is doing, he is combining the world with the concept of education, where he is educating poor people, where he was educating very poor people. See, when every other teenagers like Babar Ali, where he is a 16-year-old boy, like their friends, what they are doing, they are always doing playing. They are in playground, gets busy with football, cricket and other sports. But what Babar Ali was doing, Babar Ali makes his way to afternoon school, where he is the headmaster of 800 students. See, his friends, what they were doing after the session of morning class over, at the afternoon what they will do, they were all at playground and busy in cricket, football and other sports. But what about Babar Ali? Babar Ali was preparing for his afternoon class. What he was preparing? Where he was a headmaster of 800 students, not only 1, 2, 3. It is not a matter. ಒಬ್ರು ಇಬ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 800 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ where which was asked 1 marks in your examination. Clear? See, this is about the introduction of the character of Babar Ali. Now it is the introduction of Babar Ali's school, how it was. Introduction of Babar Ali's school. See how it was. Do you understand? Narrator introduced the character of Babar Ali. Who was he? He is the world's youngest headmaster, and also about Babar Ali, what he is doing from morning to evening, and now about his school, where it was, how it was. See, it is a dilapidated concrete structure covered in a half-ton posture. There is no proper structure or building to teach the children. Only dilapidated means ಶಿಥಿಲವಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. Dilapidated and concrete structure. It was made by cement, only half-ton posture, not fully covered. ಯಾವುದೋ ಶಿಥಿಲವಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗು, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಫ್ ಇದೆ. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನು ಓಪನ್ ಸ್ಕೈ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಕವರಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ teeny means a small dank room, dark room. Behind a desk sits someone even the Queen of England knows by name, and you should do. Even who was that fellow who sits behind the desk? That was Babar Ali itself. Babar Ali itself, who was even the Queen of England would know, means that much of popularity he has. Even now you are also going to know about the character of Babar Ali. ಈ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು? ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅವ್ರನ್ನೊಂದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವಾಗ ರೀಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋವಂಥವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸಿ, ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗೇಟ್ that opens to Babar's home. Behind the office there is a gate which was open to Babar's home. This is where rows of poor unprivileged kids sit under open blue sky. See, as I told you, there is no proper building and proper structure building to educate the people, poor people. But Babar Ali was educating under open sky. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಹಣನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ಡ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್, ಅವಕಾಶ ವಂಚಿತರು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಿಂದ ಅವಕಾಶ ವಂಚಿತರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಓಪನ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಕೈ. Learn what most children in the modern world pay hundreds of dollars for. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇದೆ, hundreds of dollars for. Here it was for free education. There is no expectation from poor children. Babar Ali was giving free education to poor people, poor children. See, where the modern people now they are paying hundreds of dollars. They were paying hundreds of dollars. Here Babar Ali was giving free education to the children. See, this is where 800 kids who are deprived from their basic right of our education walk miles to learn free of cost the basic and fundamentals of life. Education is considered as a basic and fundamentals of our each and every life. That is why here how many kids, 800 kids who are deprived from education, were they unable to bear the cost which were burdening them. That is why here they walks hundreds of they walks miles to reach here to get a free education. To get free education they walk miles to reach here to get the fundamental right of education. Fundamental right of education. So let us think a minute over, and let us take a minute over and think of this. Let us all of you just take a minute and think what we are doing. See, while weighing about our alliance, while blaming others, our task is only morning 10 to evening 6. That's it. You are paying this much, only I am working that much. Like that we are behaving, but just think about the Babar Ali, who is not expecting a rupee from poor fellows. Just he wanted to change the world by education. Just think about it. While we whine about our alliance and fuse about staying out late. We don't want to stay out late. Our time is fixed 10 to 10. It is finished. Our work is finished. Like this way we are all thinking. Is it? ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ಆಚೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಯೋಚನೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಮುಂದೆ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥ ಕಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ, this average boy, just think about this average boy from small village. It is actually helping to make this world better place. He wanted to help the world which is a better place from the effective tool of education. Effective tool of education. Today, all around the world, where millions of children are being deprived from literacy because their families cannot bear the expense. As I told you, millions of people were deprived from education. ಆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣನ ತಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗದೇ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಕಾರಣ ಆದರೂ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಲಿಟ್ರಸಿ ರೇಟು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಬರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ. ಸಿ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಲಿಕ್ಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಬಾಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. He wanted to change the world. See, this one school boy from India is trying to change that. He wanted to change that. And so at the age of 16, Babar Ali is the world's youngest headmaster. See, at the age of 16, he became the world's youngest headmaster. That is why he is considered as a fortunate soul of West Bengal. ಅವನನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಯಾರೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನ ಲೈಫನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 10 rupees, ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 1 rupee ಫಾರ್ ನೀಡಿ ಫೆಲೋಸ್. ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ದಟ್ 1 rupee ಆಲ್ಸೋ. in this situation we are leading our life. But think about this character of Babar Ali. See, he happens to be the one of the fortunate souls of the village in the Babda neighborhood. See, don't forget the place, Babda neighborhood of Gangapur village in West Bengal, Murshidabad. He was from Murshidabad, as we discussed in the introduction. He was from Murshidabad, West Bengal, but Babda neighborhood of Gangapur village, that is Murshidabad. See, Babar Ali lives with his 3 siblings. How many siblings? 3 siblings. Where he was living with parents and 3 siblings. 3 ಜನ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸಿ which 3 siblings and his parents with a thatched house. Thatched means hut. ತೆಂಗಿನ ಗರಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಒಂದು ಗುಡಿಸಲು. which is not a big size. It is a size of an average city kitchen. How much the size it has? It is only a size of an average city kitchen. ಸಿಟಿ ಕಿಚನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಿರ ನೀವು, ತುಂಬ ಸಣ್ಣದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರ ಮನೆಯೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನ 3 ಸಿಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಇವನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ. ಸಿ which is the size of an average city kitchen. Yet ironically, he is still among the privileged one of his village. He is considered as a privileged one. Why he is considered as a privileged one? Because he gets proper formal education. That is why he is considered as a privileged fellow. See, because unlike most children there, he went to school and got formal education. See, he was better off also in being the son of Nasiruddin Sheikh. See, what was his father's name? Nasiruddin Sheikh. See, who was Nasiruddin Sheikh? The father of Babar Ali. What he was doing for a living? He is a jute seller. He is a jute seller. See, he is a son of Nasiruddin Sheikh. He is a jute seller. ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹುದ್ದೆ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ. ಸೆಣಬು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೋಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋನ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇವರಿಗೆ, ಅವನು ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ನ ತೊಗೊತಿರೋದು ಯಾರು? ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಸಿ, Nasiruddin is a jute seller and a dropout who believes that education is a man's true religion. Education is man's true religion. According to whom? According to Nasiruddin. What is education? They will ask you 1 mark in your examination. Education is a man's true religion. See, and who initially supported his son's venture, son's courage with his own income. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿನ ಇನ್ಕಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಏನು ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇವನು ಕೂಡ ಏನೋ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್ he must do something for other children in his village. Coming from this privileged family of Nasiruddin Sheikh, who thought that education is a man's true religion, Babar Ali wanted to do something for the other children of the village. See, that is why he took a initiative step to start his school ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. What is the reason behind that Babar Ali wanted to change the world? It is a main reason. And also, even though children are provided free education, sending children to the school is entirely free of cost. But although the children are taught for free, they still have to pay for uniform and books. That is the main reason the people means children there, they were deprived from basic right of education. Even though the government under government scheme free of education, the children were taught free of cost, but still they have to pay for uniform and books. That is the main reason that parents should not want to send their children to the school. Why means they did not bear that much of fee. That is why. See, this is why lot of families cannot afford us to send their children to the school. Thus, instead of going to school, most of the school boys help out their family by. That is the reason why the parents does not offer the children to the school, because even though education is free of cost, but still they have to pay for uniform and books. That is the main reason they did not want to send their children to the school. In spite of that, what are the boys will do? What are the girls will do? See, in spite the boys help out their family by working as a mechanics, day laborers, grass cutters, livestock herds. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಗಳಾಗಿ, ಡೇ ಲೇಬರ್ಗಳಾಗಿ, ದಿನಗೂಲಿ ನೌಕರು, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಹುಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರಾಗಿ, ಲೀವ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ವೆರಾಸ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, who are acting as a maid servants? Girls were acting as a maid servants, where they help out, cook, clean, wash clothes and dishes for their employees. Babar Ali wanted to change this. He wanted to change this. That is why he took initiative to opening his very own school. That is the main reason Babar Ali wanted to open the school. That is his school was afternoon school. I think you all understood this today's introduction about the poet, introduction about the character of Babar Ali, and also we saw about the school of Babar Ali. In the next class we are going to discuss about the school of Babar Ali. How many children are there? How many subjects are taught in that? Who are all help out the Babar Ali, which gave his success? See, thank you. After watching this video, just write down the questions from your comprehension up to this as your assignment. Thank you.